Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Disney Plus with account protection step by step clearly. Open your device and launch the Disney Plus app. If you haven't installed the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app opens, look for the login section on the home screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password carefully. Now, tap the login button to proceed. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, look for a prompt on your screen. Check your email or authentication app for a verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. After entering the verification code, tap Verify. If the code is accepted, you will gain access to your Disney Plus account. For added security, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Account Protection option. Here, you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Consider enabling or changing your security questions. Review any recovery options available for account access. Take a moment to explore the privacy settings for your account. Once you've adjusted your settings, ensure they are saved. Now, you are securely authenticated to Disney Plus. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.